So when I was editing one of my earlier videos for this series, I noticed that the blog and the homepage were still the same. And in an earlier video, I mentioned that we'd come back to the index.php file and our blog template. So in this video, we'll cover this issue and how we can get around it. Now in WordPress, I have something called a template hierarchy, and I have it open here on the developer's site. And if you read through this, you'll eventually get to the homepage display. And you'll see here that by default, WordPress looks for home.php. And if that's not there, it'll use index.php. Now, index.php itself is typically used for the archive page. So what I mean by archive is the actual feed of blog postings. So to fix our issue, we can do this several ways. We could rename this home.php and then rename the blog file to index.php. We could also name this to front page, which I think we'll do. And this will allow our home page to be used as the front page. I'll close that out. For our blog file, I could also rename it index.php. Now when I come back to the site, you'll see we have our blog feed. Technically, we don't need this comment section here. It would still work. However, I like to keep it. I like to keep this here because when I'm using a plugin, an advanced custom fields, or any kind of custom field plugin that lets you choose by template, I can select or create a group of fields just for the blog. So I like to keep that there. Also for the front page, it works the same way. Technically, we don't need this comment block, but I like to keep it there for the same reason as the blog. So now we got our home page and we got our blog page set up. Eventually, we'll create a single page or a single.php file so that we can blog postings.